Now, everything in the all, what we call universe, but it's the multiverse, it's the infiverse. So we call it the all. Everything in the all, man used to say spiritual, physical, body, flesh, and all of that. Everything in the all, if we're going to use the word physical, is actually physical. We're going to go further here. The physical mind, when it thinks, when you use your brain and you have a thought, it's actually a physical thing you're doing. And when we use the teachings of all equal change and balance and the mind, and now the mind has the truth in it. When the mind now, which has a thought, and that thought is physical, but the root of the thought is the truth. So when the mind executes the truth, it executes something physical in the all. And this is why I share my brothers and sisters, if the butterfly had a mind, the foundation of the butterfly activities change and balance. So what the butterfly is exhibiting is a change and balance. All particles exhibit this truth. So the butterfly exhibit the truth of change and balance. The human now, with the mind to exhibit the truth of change and balance, is a physical activity. So what we're going further now, where we don't separate spiritual from physical. All of it is in the all. But using your mind correctly illuminates you, infinitely makes you happy, infinitely heal, infinitely fearless, infinitely connected to all. So now you live in the all consciousness. So you're supremely in salvation, infinitely in the other infinite life forms. That's why this truth is important. Because our mind on planet Earth, as it was, has it been developed in this realm, needed to understand how to fully function so it could exhibit something physical that is the God energy. The mind always wanted to exhibit a God energy, but from all the other teachers and teachings, it could not have done that until we found the only truth, all equal change and balance. When we teach this to other minds, and you take this teaching to other minds on this planet, those minds will do something physical. We will have gold mines, diamond mines, platinum mines. The purpose of mankind was to create new mines. We'd have to dig deep within ourselves. All we had to do was to recognize the all. The answer was never within. The answer is in the all. But first we had to figure out what the all was doing and what the all is. Change and balance. So we didn't find this answer within ourselves because there's no within and there's no outside and there's no inside. There's only the all. So we found this answer in the all, not within me and you. Because if you had answer within you, that answer would only be personal for you. And when I share this answer with you, all of a sudden it makes sense to you, but me and you are different. Me and you are supposedly separated, but we're not. We're the all connected. We're going to take this thing further. So now this teaching of all equal change and balance now activate. It activates the infinite mind and connects with the fleshly mind. and liberates and free the fleshly mind and put the fleshly mind in supreme infinite harmony with the infinite. Or did I say spiritual? With the one mind. So forget spiritual. We're going further now. The one mind, the all mind. Let's go all mind. All minds. Every single brain can do this. And every single brain at some point will do this. Because once I activate it and send it out physical, and since all is physical, all is connected, my brethren, then all of us will heal eventually. All of us will rebalance eventually. All of us. Same minds, same mind, same goal and objective for the entire infinite universe because the ants follow it, the butterfly follow it, and we humans now that we have this teaching, we can now follow it. And I'm in supreme infinite happiness with you and with all. The mind goes to rest. The mind is at peace. The mind starts healing the physical body because the physical body and the spiritual body are one. The mind had to make the connection to the spiritual to fuse it with the physical, but it's not physical or spiritual, it's just the all. The mind had to have the all consciousness in order for the all to be activated. So now that we have the all consciousness and the only truth in the infinite universe and what God is, change and balance, and what the all is doing, so we could become that each and every day. Forgiveness, mercy, and love, and all that we need to change to balance and coexist with each and every man and within ourselves to heal our own selves. And the change in balance and thought will go down to the cell of man to rid them of their disease. So the mind now can actually change the context of the body and should. But first, it must have the truth and only truth to activate the all consciousness, to give that body back life from which it almost lost because of wrong teachings. So, my brother Apollo, you always bring out the best in me because the best is in you. And if me or you one and me or you part of the all, sharing this only truth, my brother, we recorded for all to hear that all equal change and balance the only truth. I want to thank Sharon also. I want to thank Jackie for getting up this morning and say give thanks to the all. Jackie now says that. I want to thank Sharon for always thanking me. But I tell each of them, purchase the book. You cannot be a student if you're not willing to share. Share. For all of us must have this consciousness. Share. Sharon, get the book and stop playing around. Things are getting serious. Each and every one of us take this material and share it and mute yourself and study it and listen to it and share it. It is not for you, it's not for yourself, it's for all of you. All of me is all of you. It's what I say. So in recognizing this and my mind being activated in the all, when we get up in the morning, I say, give thanks to the all. Because my mind is in the all, life and death, pain and sorrow. We give thanks for all of it. The infinite tomorrows, my brother. Infinite happiness, infinite joy. Because my mind is at rest. Just like the mind of the butterfly, and the mind of water, the mind of stone, and the mind of light, and the mind of electricity, and the mind of consciousness, which at the base of it is change and balance. Change and balance is consciousness. And since all is changing and all is physical and all is spiritual, there's no more separation in my mind, a division. We close that division, close that divide. And this is the kind of message we got to send out. And you, the weakness of this message, must share what you can. Learn and study it. You see, my brother. So, for me, I'm supremely excited because brothers like you, Apollo, you know, you always inspire me. You come this morning and says, Randy, the truth is medicine for the mind. And I'm going to pause so you could speak and you could explain what I'm saying so we send this out to our brothers and sisters. Go ahead, Apollo, speak now.
Well, my knowledge is the truth, and I've been looking for the truth, and I know how serious is the truth. So I know the truth is the tonic for the mind. And my principle is where the mind goes, the body follows. And if I could feed the mind with the tonic of the truth, then my body will follow the truth. And that is why I'm connected to Randy, because my mind led me to him. And that's the truth. So what I'm going to do is to feed my mind with the truth. And wherever my mind is, there is where I am. So I will always take this teaching and take it to another level where others can gain the knowledge and the inspiration to know what the truth is. Because I was lost looking for the truth. And now I can feel the truth. And I know I found the truth. And I'm going to feed the truth and live the truth, which is the all, which leads to change, which equals the change and balance. So here I am as a student, and I'm open to learn and to receive the truth because I was looking for the truth and now I found the truth. So I'm going to live the truth. So, my brother Randy, I received that teaching and I'm going to digest it and distribute it to the all who wants to receive it because we are the all. And I must thank you for the connection and the teachings, my brother. And we have to spread this teaching throughout the world, throughout the universe, because we align with the universe. And I'm willing and ready to do my task. Okay, my brother. This is what I gained from you this morning. And I'm willing and ready to receive it. Okay, my brother. That's my input and what I received from you this morning.
Respect and love. I will send this out to everyone else. I'll make a video. I'll send you the link. I want you to listen that over and over. Get the book and read it. And there's a special book I'm going to make for those who are patient, those who are willing to move forward. Peace and love. We'll talk soon. Let me get this finished
Send
and send it
send
off to you.
send me send me the audio.
I will. I'm about to produce it and send it off to you. Peace and love. Send it off. All right. Love you.
Guidance allow you to.
Respect.